Hey Stampin' friends, welcome to day 9 of our 14 Days of Love with Rachael Coon. Today we'll be making a really cute and simple Hugs and Kisses box. Go ahead and hold and flip and we'll get started. Okay, let me do a quick scoop and get things in better view. There we go. And we'll show you the cute box we're making today for day 9. So this is the Hugs and Kisses mini treat box. That is a retired or carried over, I don't know how we can call this, a super discounted paper pumpkin add-on from last year, I believe. So this comes with 20 boxes with pretty almost everything to make this box. The only thing extra we're adding that's not in this purchase are the cute little sprigs we're adding in that sequin there. But it comes with the box, the heart, the twine, or the cord, $5 for 20 of these cute little boxes. This would be a super cute wedding favor or Valentine's Day, of course, but I just love this one. Okay, let me go ahead and give you my tips of how to make it. It's really simple. The cord I have cut at 16 inches. All of this will be over my tutorial too, just in case you miss it. Here's what the box comes flat like this. We have to build it up. So I like to go just the opposite way by folding it that way. You can use your bone folder if you want right now. And once you get to this point, they look the same. I feel like the X and O's, this looks better this direction. But I honestly don't think there's a huge difference from top to bottom on this because it's O's and X's, which are the same upside down as right side up. And it's the exact same. There's a score line on both for the tab and these fold in. So all you have to do is fold in one, decide which one's going to be the bottom, which is going to be the top. Doesn't matter, and you just push it through. There's no adhesive for this box, which is pretty cool. I'm going to keep on folding these so that way they creased a little bit. There we go. And then we would just put our hugs. I have Hershey Hugs. Those are the white chocolate wrapped with chocolate stripes. And then we have some kisses. And these are the Valentine's Day ones. So they have like cute little sayings on the bottom, the conversation ones. I think I fit at least 6, if not more, in your little box there. So fill that up. And then we're going to close it up. Okay. There we go. I think you could put a couple of different things in there, but I love the Hugs and Kisses because it goes perfect with the theme. Then if you want to notice, I'm going to turn it to the side. When we wrap our cord around it, we want to not go over the top here. So I'll keep it open just so you can refer to it. I just need to do a little bit of stamping. So here's our cute little heart that came with it. We're going to grab our With Love and our Mossy Meadow. Mossy Meadow ink. You can use another shade of green if you want, or you can use a gold embossing or something with that pink to go as well. I think it's a Blushing Bride though, instead of the petal pink we've been using. All right, ink up With Love, and let's put it on our heart. I like to go at an angle. You can go straight if you want. Press down, lift up, looks great. Keep our ink out. We're going to go ahead and do 2 sprigs on this little scrap of paper. Okay, ink that up. Double check it. There we go. Stamp 1. I don't have my foam mat underneath me today because these images are fairly small and I thought I can get away with it. But if your images aren't coming up nice, that could be why, or your ink might be dry. So just want to press firmly and let it release. Oh, those turned out great. Okay, now we just need to fussy cut those out. What fussy cut means is you take your paper snips or your scissors. These are made by Stampin' Up, so they're amazing and sharp and just the right size. And you're going to just go around our little sprigs here. If you need tweezers to help you hold on to the paper, that's a good thing to grab. I like to go around it with a rounded instead of like a cornered edge. So I'm just doing a rounding like that. Go around each one. Come around the bottom. The bottom side won't be seen as much. So, and I'm going to cut this all the way off, even though it's giving me less to work with, just so that way it's a little bit easier for me to hold on to and to maneuver. I always feel like it's easier for me to cut down versus going back up on it, so it just feels a little weird, but we're making it work. Last two, again, rounding around it. There's one sprig. Let's do our second one. I'm super excited for our game night tonight. It's gonna be lots of fun, very simple, so don't stress about it. I would love to see you there. I understand if you can't make it. It's not mandatory for this class. It's just a bonus. There will be some very simple prizes, so don't even fret about that. Our grand prizes, though, will be on the 15th on a Facebook Live in our group, where I will have all of your names on a wheel picker. For every finished project you get done, you'll get your name entered into that drawing. So you can max out with 14. There we go. For the 14 days of love. I'm struggling with this last piece here. I might need to grab my my tweezers, sorry, to hold it. Oh, there we go. That's going better now. Let me grab tweezers, hold on. Sometimes my fingers can hold things nicely and other times not as much. So I'm just gonna have my tweezers hold it in my left hand, and my dominant hand's gonna now just be able to cut it hopefully a little bit better. I don't know why this one's giving me so much grief. There we go. And that last bit right there, perfect. Now that we've made a mess with all of our paper scraps, we are ready to assemble. Actually, let me grab my sequin real quick. My gold one is the one I like to use for that because it matches our hugs and kisses, and just put it right above our love in that corner there. Perfect. Okay. Now for the sprigs in the back, there's a couple different ways you can attach it. I'm just going to use a little bit of my Stampin' Seal Plus. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to put just a little bit right on that back side. And then I'm going to flip it back over so I can see which direction these are going. And I'm going to have one going out to the left and one going more to the right. And if I need more adhesive, what I could do is flip it back over, grab my tear tape, and just put a little bit of this over it without removing the backing. Kind of just like real tape is what it's becoming now. And it's white, so you can't hardly even see it, but that allows it to stick on a little bit better. Got a little excess. Let me just trim that. There we go. Cute, cute. Okay, and all we have to do now is just wrap it around. I do want to warn you, this cord is ever so slippery. So I'm going to put it on the back of my box here. I'm going to line up it so that my ends are together. I'm going to tie one knot. Okay? Then we're going to attach my heart. I'm holding it tight too. Thread my heart through there. There we go. And now I'm going to make my bow. Oh, nope, I lied. I'm going to do now another knot. Like I said, this is super slippery cord. Ooh, there we go. And then if you feel like it's gone too loose and you need to do a double redo, you totally can. You could even put a glue dot behind your knot bow, or the center of the bow right there, and that will make it stay still. But if in the process it got loose, feel free to put a dimensional on the back of your With Love and attach it to your box, and that'll help keep your cord up as well. But that is it, our super cute Hugs and Kisses box, using those Hugs and Kisses mini paper pumpkin add-on from the previous year. Oh my goodness, so cute. I just love that gold embossing there. I hope you guys have loved this one and how quick and simple it is to put together, and to add that to your wish list cart and grab 20 more for just $5. All right, guys, happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.